The Abrahamic family house is a new landmark for our nation, symbolic of the UAE's ongoing commitment to human fraternity.
Dangshan ha ubnai Januari arhajar apulai Prime Minister Jongkeri India. Narendra Modi ulakentu ya kiwai pat kiri kibadang kam duna ka yok kakot ban sedang no ya ka New World Order kenang ban kentiu ya ka bahaga miat ka yok kakot jong kiri kibadang duna ka yok kakot bad ulakran ya ka neh ka meeting jong ka Voice of Global South Summit Ontang kinong sinsyar kiri kibatrang banwan ra ya ka jinglong ka way ka sinsyar kadar. Andray menta wat kinong ilam niam ke trang banwan ra ya kata ka jingya teli. Meno ngimpat juyo sngaw. Bat kinong ilam niam muslim. Kin ya kloy ban ya trailang bat ki way kiniam kinong ilam niam jiu ru kumju. Ngimpat juyo sngaw bakin tre ban ya milai bat ki way pat ki jaj niam. Bat wat kiniam Kristan rukumju, namar kine kilai teli kiniam la hikaya ki bakin yeng scam, bat bakin yeng bej halor ke nongrim jong ke jingyay, jong ki leng ba ki jing tho bakhuat jong ki. Henry mentai ngilai yo i bakine kilai teli kiniam ki bami na usambai jong u Abraham kila sedang banyetre lang. Menta kasngi kata ka shitrik ubanai march kiriu pajba kilala ban lejing seng ne ban lej duwai syakane ka Abrahamic family house kajaka kabai kila persyang ban penlong ka way ya kiniam meno ngimpat juyo sngaw bagi jiu ki muslim bat ki kristan kinya syong lang ha ka way ka ying mane handai menta kasngi ngila sakhi ya kane kat bai kinong sensyar kidang perta ka jingsuk syanu kadon penban ngiyo i bagi jingyo snam leng bagi thama kadang ya chakman kinong sensyar ki kwa e ka jingsuk hendrai kimte padde bagi beriau ha ka perthai kidon kam nya us iem jong ka jingsuk namar dai tang une ubala ban ai hangi ya ka jingsuk ka basisha tongin duwai bakari Pat kinong sensyar jong ka perthai kin itu pat pedang ya ujisu ubedai us iem jong ka jingsuk.
We, the children of Abraham, gather here together in order to celebrate the building of an extraordinary monument to loving kindness, the Abrahamic family house. Let us utilize the remarkable facilities on this site in the future to build a new world. In a world in which there is so much bitter conflict, let us here promote peace, harmony, and unity.
The Abrahamic family house is a concrete example for people of different religions, cultures, traditions, and beliefs to return to the essential, that is, love of neighbor.
The Abrahamic family house is a new landmark for our nation, symbolic of the UAE's ongoing commitment to human fraternity. It is an extension of the legacy of our founding father, the late Sheikh Zayed, and the values upon which he built our country. Values of respect and mutual understanding, embodied by a nation which is home to people from 200 countries around the world.